how to activate Home Depot's consumer's credit card. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can activate the Home Depot's consumer credit card. In order to do that, you first have to open up your web browser and click on the search bar. Now just search for Home Depot credit card. Hit enter. And here you'll see this page for manage and pay your cards. Go ahead and open this up. And once you open this page, all you have to do is, if you haven't already, log into your Home Depot account. And then from here you can just simply go ahead and apply for a new credit card. Or if you don't see this here, you can adjust your search right here. Just add a keyword apply. And you'll see the apply online today. Go ahead and open this up. And now if you already have the card, you'll have an option to log in here. So click on the login button, then click on sign in. And once you sign into your account, you'll see a big activate button here to activate your credit card on Home Depot. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.